Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. So who wants to learn how you guys can buy over $85 worth of products and spend just $1.60 out of pocket plus taxes? Well, there are so many deals going on at CVS this week, and this is my second CVS haul, which turned out amazing. If you guys are looking for ways to save money on everyday household items, whether you need laundry detergent, body washes, shampoos, conditioners, cleaners, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and I will show you guys exactly how to do that. Of course, as usual, I will show you guys my extremely long CVS receipt to prove exactly how I did it. There is a printable breakdown in the description box as well, showing you guys all the details that you guys can print out and take to the store with you. So let's go into CVS and check out these deals.
Okay, so we are back at CVS to do our amazing second haul. First thing I want to pick up is going to be the spend $20, get a $5 extra buck deal. So we're going to pick up one of these Tide Pods. They are $4.94. Then I'm going to pick up one of these large Tides. I like the Tide with Febreze. They are on sale $11.94. We have a $3 digital for the Tide. We have a $2 digital for the Tide Pods. The next thing we're going to pick up is the Lysol. And look, this one is on sale too for the buy one, get one free. But of course they're $10.99, so that's not the one I'm going to do. I'm going to do this one because they are $3.99 and they're buy one, get one free. Then we're going to use two 50-cent coupons that were available on coupons.com. That's going to take off $1. So that's going to make this for a really, really good deal. Stay tuned at the end. I will go over the final breakdown for how much all this costs. So for this deal, we're also going to use a 3 off 12 laundry care CRT. It didn't print, so I did send it to my card. This week I was having issues printing my CRTs for some reason. I even went to 2 different stores and I was kind of having an issue. So I just went ahead and sent the ones to my card that I'm going to be using. So we're going to pay $11.77 out of pocket, get back that $5 extra buck. So final cost is going to be $6.77 for 4 items, or just $1.69 each, which is an amazing deal because we're picking up this 92-ounce Tide and we're getting it for $1.69. Imagine when they're originally $16. Such a hot deal. Okay, the next deal we're going to pick up is on the Garnier Fructis. So originally I thought it was going to include these, which it typically does. This one is included, but what we're going to pick up because of what the coupon says is we're going to pick up these. So they are 1-minute masks and they're on sale 2 for $7. Now this one's the only one tagged. Oh no, this one's tagged too. Perfect. Pick up this. Ooh, this has papaya extract. That probably smells really good. So we're going to pick up these 2 products and we're going to use 2 of these $2 off 1 coupons that I showed you guys on coupons.com. So that'll take off $4. We will pay $3 out of pocket, but get a $4 extra buck. So right there, everyone can do this deal. We don't need CRTs. We don't need inserts, nothing. You can print these for free on coupons.com and you're going to get a $1 moneymaker. Such a hot deal. And this does track towards CVS Beauty. And for newbies, if you guys are new to couponing at CVS, for every $30 you spend on beauty items, you get a $3 beauty back, which is the same as an extra buck, same as cash. And that'll show up on your account within about 48 hours after you check out. The next deal I'm going to pick up is going to be the Nivea. So this is my favorite body wash. It's not the best deal, but I do love this body wash and you want to make sure you're doing the deals that work for you guys. So these are on sale $4.99. Buy one, get a $2 extra buck. So what I'm going to do is pick up one of these. This one's my favorite. So I'm going to pick up one of these. I'm going to use a 2 off of 6 body wash CRT. And the reason is because I'm going to combine that with the Irish Spring deal. So the Irish Spring deal is buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. So they're each $3.99. So total is going to be $11.97. And then the Nivea was $4.99. So that's more than $6. That's how I'm able to use that CRT. I'm doing both of these in the same transaction. Now, for the Irish Spring Body Wash, we got 75-cent coupons in my region, bummer, in today's inserts. So this is what the coupon looks like. Some regions were super lucky and got $1 off. I'm super jealous. Even Georgia got $1 off, which I'm surprised because Florida didn't. So not sure how that works, but that's okay. You can also print additional Irish Spring coupons on irishspring.com if you've not purchased or printed those yet. So I also got a $2 off of 3 Irish Spring body wash coupon, or CRT I mean, which looks like this today, which is awesome. So I'm gonna pick up 3 of these. Which ones? 5-in-1. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face, and deodorizer. Dang, that's a lot. Let's pick up one of these. And then let's pick up this. And this one. Okay, so total is going to be $11.97. We're going to use 3 of those 75-cent off 1 coupons. We are going to use that $2 off 3 CRT. Final cost, let me get myself organized here. So we're going to pay $6.72 out of pocket. Get back a $5 extra buck. Final cost is going to be $1.73 for all 3, or just 57 cents each. Not a bad deal. Now, if you used the 2 off 6 on this one, you would have only paid 72 cents out of pocket. But again, I love Nivea, so that's why I wanted to grab one of those. The other one that you can do is on the soft soap, which I'm also going to be picking up. So it's part of the same promotion, but it's a limit of 4. So I'm going to pick up these as well. I have been seeing that they haven't been printing the extra bucks and they haven't been ringing up for the $4.99. So make sure you guys are careful of that. Just watch when you guys are checking out. So let's pick up some soft soap. Pomegranate. I like the oil one. Where's that? They mustn't have it. Dang. I'll pick up 2 of these. Okay, so you're going to be using that same coupon, the 75-cent coupon. Now, I got a $3 off any 3 soft soap body wash CRT today, which was amazing. So, final cost, I'm going to pay $4.72 out of pocket after all coupons and CRTs. Get back a $5 extra buck. So it's a 28-cent moneymaker for picking up 3 body washes, which is amazing, amazing. So make sure you guys stop by CVS this week and take advantage of these deals. Let's go on to the next deal. Okay, the next deal that I'm finally gonna take advantage of is on the Garnier facial care. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna pick up, let's see, rose water. This one removes makeup, cleansing, no harsh rubbing. Ooh, I want this one actually because it removes makeup too, but it's rose water. It looks super cute. So they are on sale. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So what I was going to do is pick up 2 of these, but I got a $2 Garnier micellar water CRT, which is going to make them the same cost. So I'm going to pick up one of these. Then I'm going to pick up one of these. They are $6.79. Now, this is the $3 instant coupon from last week that finally printed for me. So I held it. I'm going to use it this week. Then there is a $2 coupon for the Skin Active Cleanser product. There's also a $3 digital coupon for the micellar water. So that right there is going to take off 3, 4, 5, $8, plus I have a $2 CRT for the micellar water. That's going to take off $10. I'm going to pay $6.58 out of pocket, but I'm going to get that $5 extra buck. So final cost is $1.58 each. And again, this does track towards beauty. Okay guys, so like I promised, I'm going to do a moneymaker oral care deal. This is going to include the 3 off of 12 toothpaste, toothbrushes, or oral care CRT. So we are going to be combining this scope deal for the 1 liter buy one, get a $3 extra buck. Some are as cheap as $5.19, it depends on your region. So we're gonna pick up one of those. Then we're going to pick up the Colgate Optic White deal. So this is a limit of 2. They're on sale $3.49. Buy one, get a $2 extra buck. Now, when you go to Colgate.com, you can print these $1 off coupons, which is amazing. So let's pick up 2 of these here. Uno, dos. Put those in there. Then we are going to be using a $1 digital coupon for the crust. So make sure you guys send that to your card. Also, that 3 off of 12 oral care CRT, we are gonna pay just $3.17 out of pocket. If my math is right, I gotta go over that again. We're gonna get back a $3 extra buck for the scope, and we're gonna get back $4 from purchasing the Optic White, because remember, we're doing this deal twice, so we're gonna get that $2 back twice. So it's going to be a $4 moneymaker again for the oral care deal. Let me just check my numbers. I'm sorry, almost. So $3 back for the Crest, $4 back for the Colgate. Final cost is free and a $3.33 moneymaker. So almost $4, but still an amazing deal, and we're all getting some free oral care. And the last deal I wanted to share with you guys is on Hallmark Cards. So this week they're on sale. Buy 3, get a $3 extra buck. If you go to cvs.com/coupons, go to the flowers and gifts category. The category is the drop down. Click flowers and gifts. There's a $3 off 3 coupon that you guys can print. Best deal to do is to buy 3 of these that are $2.99 each. That'll be $8.97. You'll use the $3 coupon that you guys are going to print. You're going to pay $5.98, get back a $3 extra buck. So final cost is going to be just 99 cents each. Now, if you got the $2 off any Hallmark card CRT today of $2.99 or more, you guys could use that. Final cost is 99 cents for all 3, or just 33 cents per card. So really good deal if you guys want to stock up on a couple good Valentine's Day cards.
Okay, so we're back in from CVS and everything worked perfectly. So here is my receipt to show you guys everything that I got. All the items, of course, all of the coupons and everything came off. Here is that 92-ounce Tide that we were able to pick up today, which I thought was absolutely amazing. So all the coupons came off. We had the $3 digital, the $2 Garnier Skin Active digital, $1 for the Crest mouthwash came off. Then the rest of the manufacturer coupons that we had from previous inserts, as well as the CVS CRTs and the extra bucks that I used to help pay down my out-of-pocket. So here it is, guys. I paid just $1.60 out of pocket plus taxes. So final cost out of pocket was just $6.07. I did have a free CVS item, so I went ahead and picked up some baby wipes. That way I could use that for my $5 free CVS item. So that CRT can go for any item at CVS. It can be $5 or less. It could be more than $5. That $5 is going to come off. You would pay any remainder out of pocket. So I have a baby shower coming up this weekend, so that's why I wanted to pick up some CVS baby wipes. We've used them before. They are a great product, so I thought that would be a nice little additional gift for the baby shower. If you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you guys drop a comment below as usual. If you guys haven't checked out my first CVS haul, click on this video right here. It was even better than this haul right here. It was a $20 moneymaker with rewards back. That includes extra bucks back and beauty bucks back, because we did hit beauty 4 times in that haul. If you guys are also new to Ibotta, we've been using Ibotta a lot on this channel. Check out this video here. That'll show you guys all the ins and outs on Ibotta, how to maximize your savings and get as much bonuses and cash back as possible. And of course, if you guys are not subscribed yet, just click on my little face button right here and subscribe to the channel. Thanks guys so much, and I'll see you next time.